Talk to me about it. Hey guys, the name of the place. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome to my first vlog. And if this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Adedoyin and you can just call me Doyin, okay? So let me start this vlog by saying that if you do not have any skin issues, I mean facial skin issues like hyperpigmentation, acne, sunburn, and stuff like that, comment down below how exactly it feels to be God's favorite, because you cannot tell me nothing. You are definitely God's favorite. Your girl has been battling with acne for the longest time, and this time around, they came out with full force. And on this particular day, I had an appointment with a particular clinic to get my facial done, and that would be my first time, getting facial. I mean, I have never had any facial done before this particular day, and I was so excited. I did not want to go alone, so I decided to call my sister. And she was, down for it. She decided to call one of her friends as well so that we can just, have a nice time after getting my facial done. So I want you guys to come along with me. Let me show you the whole process and let me also show you how my weekend went. Okay, so guys, I am done dressing up now. I decided to change my top because I wasn't feeling the previous one, so I decided to change it into this white top. So like I said, I'm done now. I just want to go and meet my sister where she is so we can catch up with her friend, because we are three going together to do my facial and also to do the other things that we intend to do today. Okay, so yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get there.
I got a feeling that tonight will be the best night I can feel in. When I see you around, my heart is set to healing. I got a feeling my love tonight's up. If you want to dance, you have to try, get it on. Just you and me, forget about the time gone.
What's the name? The name of the place. Celeb Beauty.
I have 100 reasons to close your eyes, 100 reasons to make you laugh. I got 100 reasons to, 100 reasons to. I have tonight will be the best night I can feel in. When I see you around, my heart is set to healing. I got a feeling my love tonight's off. If you want to dance, you have to try, get it on. Just you and me, forget about the time gone. About the time gone. I have 100 reasons to close your eyes, 100 reasons to make you laugh. I got 100 reasons to, 100 reasons to.
Hey guys, I just got back from where I went to do my facial, and I feel so tired. Don't even mind the fact that I'm smiling right now. that is not exactly how I feel. I am so tired. It's because I'm talking to the camera. That is the reason why, I'm smiling. But, being my first time doing my facial, my experience was, how can I describe it? It was such an experience. I mean, that's just what I can use to describe it here. It was kind of painful. Different treatment gave me different feeling. There was this particular treatment. I know you guys saw everything in the previous clips. There was this particular treatment that I was literally, like, my face was literally burning, and I had to hold my sister's hand, just to, comfort myself and just get some comfort from somebody. My face was burning and I just felt like putting my face in cold water. That was how that treatment made me feel. And it was a particular product. And I actually have that product at home, but I have never used it. I've just heard from different people online that it burns like crazy. I'm telling you, this product burns like crazy, and it's the ordinary AHA or plus BHA 30% or whatever. If you know that product, then you know what I'm talking about. That product burns like hell. And there was this particular part where this lady used like different kind of needles to just punch on my face, and I think I still have scars from that particular procedure on my face right now. But maybe because I've not done it before, maybe that's why I'm feeling so weird. But let's just see how it goes. And it's because I'm working with a particular brand. I know a lot of people actually send me DM like, use this product, use turmeric, use honey to treat my acne. And you guys know, like, if you have been following my content, I actually don't hide the fact that I have acne. I've been battling with acne for such a long time. Okay, so it comes, it goes, but this time around it came out in full force, and people send me DMs like, use this and use that, and they're actually a lot. But I'm currently working with a particular brand, and they're taking it upon themselves to send me products to treat my acne, and I'm going to tell you all about that brand in coming videos. Just keep up with me, keep up with my content if you are interested. So they asked me to get a facial done because I am in Ibadan and this brand is in Lagos, so there's no way I can get my facial done with them. So I just had to get the facial done here in Ibadan. And my first experience was it was painful. I was not expecting the experience at all. I was not expecting it to be that painful. But my face felt, how do I put it now? When you remove clothes from your body and you feel naked, that is exactly how my face felt when I finished the facial. I felt like my pores were opened, and I feel like that was actually what happened. Yeah. So that's just basically how my first facial experience was, or is, or whatever. That is all. So if I have any other things to show you guys tomorrow is Saturday. If I have any other things to vlog tomorrow, I will definitely vlog it and show it to you guys. Otherwise, I'll just catch you guys on Sunday, okay? Hey guys, good morning, and today is Saturday, a day after my facial. And I really do not have a lot of things to do today. I wanted to film before today, but because I just did my facial, and filming a YouTube video, like a styling video of my hair, would actually might require me to apply makeup, and I really do not want to use makeup on my face just yet. I want to give my face some time, maybe to heal and just relax before I apply makeup on my face. That's the reason why I'm not using makeup on my face, and that's the reason why I am not filming today. So the other things that I want to do, I have some editing works to do today. I want to edit some Instagram video. I want to edit a particular Instagram video. I want to edit another YouTube video and a client video today. So those are the major things that I want to do today. Other things include just cooking and cleaning the house. Since this morning, I'm just about to take breakfast, and what I want to eat is beans and yam, leftover beans and yam from yesterday night. Honestly speaking, I don't like beans. I feel like beans is an overrated food. Don't come for me, but I don't like beans. The only reason why I eat beans is because it's a good food to eat and it's nutritious. That's the only reason. But that I don't really enjoy it that much. Do you get it? But I just eat it because it's a good food. And the one I prepared yesterday night, it was actually delicious. I enjoyed eating the one of yesterday night, and I hope to enjoy the remaining this morning. So I'll just show you guys some footage from today's activities, okay? Hey guys, so this is Saturday evening and I'm preparing to go to church. This is Saturday evening and I'm preparing for church tomorrow. So tomorrow is Thanksgiving Sunday and a lot of people will be wearing native and traditional wears, and I don't always like it when I'm the only one or when just few of us are wearing English dress or just casual dresses. I don't always like it. I always feel kind of left out. So I'm going to be wearing a traditional or a native wear tomorrow. Even though I don't have a lot, I have just a few, and these are the options that I have to wear tomorrow. I don't want to wear anything like anything loud. I don't want to wear anything loud. I just want to wear something simple and straight to the point. So I have three options. I have this one, and I also have this skirt and this. Where's the top? Okay, this is the top. I have this skirt and this top, but I don't think I'm going to be wearing it because I realized that even though the skirt fits, I can still wear it, but I can't wear the top because the top is kind of bigger than me and I don't really have so much bust, So it was a gift for my friend Moe. Shout out to you, Moe. Thank you. But I don't think I'm going to be wearing it tomorrow. So the other options that I have this one, this dress, and I also have this one. So the thing is, I would like to take pictures tomorrow, just for Instagram content. But I've taken pictures with this before for Instagram, so I might have to wear this one. But there's light now, so I have to be very quick, and I just have to go and press these dresses before NEPA takes light. Okay, so yeah, I'll just press both of them. Which one do you think I should wear? Although you're going to see it towards the end of this vlog, but just which one do you think I should wear in your mind? If you like, you can put that in the comment section. But I'm going to press both of them and I'm going to show you guys which one I pick tomorrow.